Hey guys, so TK Maxx came to Hobart for like the first time ever, and it opened up like, I don't know, I feel like it's been around for a couple of months, but every time I've gone in there I've been like so disappointed and I haven't bought anything from there. That was until the other day. So I went in there and I don't know what happened, I like blacked out and I spent all of my money, but I did get some really good Christmas gifts. So you guys won't be seeing this video until next year, but I'm filming it now so that I can like wrap the gifts, you know what I mean? Okay, anyway, first things first, I've kept these ones out of the bag because they're soaps and like the little thing has popped up, so I don't want them to leak. But I got this one for my nephew. This is the peppermint bark hand soap, and I got it because it's got a little pug on it and he's obsessed with pugs. This one says, our hand soap is made with a refreshing scent that provides a nourishing and gentle cleanse with the benefits of coconut oil. And this is from Mia & Co. And yeah, it smells so good. It's like super minty, like pepperminty. It's really nice. But anyway, that's how it looks there. It's got all these cute little puppies on it. So adorable. And it's almost $6.99. I have to try and take all these prices off. Also, TK Maxx get me with like their 99 business because like $6.99 just sounds so much more appealing than $7. You know what I mean? Like, I'm like, oh my god, it's only $6, but I'm gonna make a big mess out of this. Anyway, whatever. That was the first thing that I got. The next thing that I got, I don't actually know who I'm giving this one to yet. I can't remember. But this is the little Santa Spice with notes of cinnamon, luxury hand soap and luxury hand lotion. I swear Cade said he wanted to keep this one. It's almond cinnamon, but I don't use hand lotion. But we do use obviously hand soap, so I'm like, and it is really cute. So that's how this one looks here. I think like, I want to open it up and smell it, but I'm also like, what if we gift it to someone else? You know what I mean? But yeah, almond cinnamon, that sounds really nice. And it comes with this cute little like soap thing to sit them on. So yeah, I just thought that was really cute. This one was $14.99 or $15. The next one that I got, I think this one I'm going to give to Cade's mum. This is from Ray Dunn, and this just has a hand soap and a hand lotion, and it doesn't like say much else. I feel like, because most of them are like Christmas themed, but obviously like after I give them to her it's not gonna be Christmas anymore. But I feel like these ones will look kind of cute, like they're Christmas but like subtle Christmas, you know what I mean? So I've just got those and they come in this cute little holder. This one was also $14.99. I also need to take the price tag off these. Oh my god, so annoying. This bag is so big that I literally cannot even lift it. He had to double bag it because he's like, I think it's gonna break, and I was like, yeah, okay. I don't know who I got this for, but it was just too cute that I couldn't like not get it. This is another one from Mia & Co, and this is it says Avo Merry Christmas, and it's got all these little avocados. And like, you know, I couldn't leave that there. Like, it's just the cutest thing in the world. Like, the little avocados, they're just so cute. So that one was also $6.99. I got another hand soap. I've got so many hand soaps. I think I'm going to give this one to Cade's sister. This is the Peppermint Frost hand soap. And this one has little kitties on it with all the little jumpers and stuff. And I just feel like that is just so cute. Like, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Like, honestly, they're all the same, but like the little packaging on them just got me, so I am a sucker. Anyway, this is from Empire Australia, and this is the pomegranate and vanilla essential oil blend nourishing body cream. Oh, this is made in Melbourne. I didn't know that. That's cool. Anyway, this one was $5.99. I'm gonna give this to my little sister. I feel like it will smell nice. I can't smell it. But yeah, I feel like she'll like that. Just a cute little body cream. Okay. I got two of these. So these these are from Pixie. These are the collagen plumping masks. These were $17 or $16.99, and it says compare at $42. So I mean, I don't know if that's true or not, but it sucked me in either way. I got one of these for my little sister and also one for my big sister, so I'm really excited about those. I think they'll be really nice. I don't know who I'm going to gift this to yet or if I'm going to keep it for myself, but I just saw it and I was like, ooh. This is the Pixie Best of Bright. It comes with the glycolic glycolic cleanser, exfoliating toner, and purifying mask. And I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know, I'm a sucker for a little gift set. This one was $16.99. Oh my god, I bought another hand soap. I don't know who I'm gonna give this one to. Why did I buy so many hand soaps? Anyway, this is also from Mia & Co, and this is the Christmas tree hand soap, which smells really nice actually. And this one has little Santas all over it. I'm so like, this is what I mean, like I just blacked out in there and just bought everything that I saw, and I don't know. Anyway, whatever. This one is actually for myself. This is the Pixie Clarity Cleanser with salicylic acid and probiotics. And this was $14.99. It says compare at $30. Yeah, I just love a good Pixie. Okay, I got some body scrubs. I think this is the one I'm going to keep because I got a few. Honestly, I want to keep all of them, but I can't. This is from the Spa the Carry. I think it's meant to be like apothecary, but like Spathecary, you know. This is the Peach Raspberry Glowing Body Scrub with vitamin C and green tea. It says it re-energizes the skin, cleanse, polish, soften. I don't know, I just feel like that looks really, really nice. And I did give it a sniff yesterday, and it smelled so good. Yeah, it's really, really nice. This one was $12.99. And Kate and I love body scrubs. That's the thing we go through the most in the shower. So I'm always buying body scrubs. This is the, oh, I can't say it. Is it? It's like acai. I'm saying that wrong. But anyway, it's the acai berry and rosehip oil. This is a sugar body scrub. This one is from, I think it's from, I don't know how to say that. CIROA. And this one was $9.99, but look how pretty it is. I just love this tub. Like, is that just not one of the prettiest things you've ever seen? And then, I'm going to open it up. Oh, it actually smells so good. Like, I would eat that if I could. Yeah, that's really nice. I reckon I'll give that one to my little sister. Oh, cute. This is an Australian brand. That's exciting. Then I got more from the same brand. This one is mango and sweet almond oil, also a sugar body scrub, so I'll give one of these to like my other sister, and then I'll give one to Kate's sister as well. Oh, that one's so good. Oh, I don't know, I want all of them, but anyway. And then the last one that we got was, this is the mango and coconut. Yeah, it's called like Soroa body? Kuroa body? I don't know. But these just, I feel like they just look so nice, and they're so like big, and like I feel like they're pretty good value, like $10. Yeah, that one smells real good. Oh, yum. Makes me want to like go and like get like a smoothie or something. So yeah, I got those. I feel like they all will make really nice Christmas presents. Then I feel like this was kind of like my golden purchase. So I found these Huda Beauty palettes. We have the Caramel Brown Obsessions and the Toffee Brown Obsessions. They were $29.99, so $30, and they compare at $44, which I'm telling you they're more expensive than that. But anyway, I want to open them and show you guys. Oh, I just realised I probably should have made sure they weren't broken, hey. Oh, that's so pretty. So this is the Caramel Brown Obsessions. I'm going to give one of these to my sister. And I kind of wanted to keep one for myself. But maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. I have so many palettes, but you know what I'm like. I get sucked in. And then we have Toffee Brown. Oh, wow. That's real pretty. I actually love that so much. I feel like that's real nice. All these are really pretty, like... So yeah, those two. I thought that was such a great bargain. Love those. I got these for my younger sister. These are the Blemish Care and Cover Catch Me patch. I just thought these were so cute. I feel like she uses these things, but I don't know if she does. I feel like, oh well, hopefully she does. I feel like this is something she would use, but they've got little cute, these are the holiday vibes ones, so they've got little cute, like pictures on them, and these are like just little acne pads. We're getting down to our last things. I got this because I just saw it and I was like, ooh. This is the Revolution X Soap, and this is the Candy Icing Lip Liner and Lip Balm, and it actually looks real nice, like real pretty shade. Should we open it up? I don't know who I'm going to give this to, or if I'm going to keep this one. I unfortunately just went ham in TK Maxx. But yeah, because yeah, I just really wasn't understanding the hype. I was like, okay, I don't know why people are loving this store so much, like there's nothing in here. But yeah, no, this time they had a lot of good stuff, so okay, hopefully we'll be able to get these back in. Cute. So that's the lip balm. It's actually a really pretty shade. It's like this kind of like pinky shade. And then we've got the little lip liner, which is also really stunning. I might even keep that for myself because I feel like I will use that the most out of like my sisters. Does that make sense? So we are on to our last little thing, and this one was for me. This is from DW. You guys know I had to buy some candles. So this has 4 of the little, this is the breakfast gift set. This was $20 or $19.99. How cute is it? So we have it cereal milk Sunday morning, donut shop, and boba tea. And I'm so excited to try these. And I've seen Paige Corin talk about these before, and so when I saw them I was like, oh my god. Because like, you know, I watch so many YouTubers and they're always talking about cool stuff that we just do not have in Australia. So when I see something out that we actually have, that they also have in like America, I get so excited. So this is cereal milk. Oh, that smells so good. That literally is like a bowl of Fruit Loops. I also feel like the little packaging of them is so cute as well. Oh, yum! Okay, so that was cereal milk. Then we have Sunday morning. It's got these little pancakes on it, so I feel like... Oh, it's got the scents on the back. So, cereal milk with sweet, citrus-infused marshmallows laid with delectable vanilla bean and crunchy cereal shapes. Oh my god. The next one is Sunday morning, and it says rich maple, caramelized sugar, and honeyed pancake batter. So good. Yum! I love that. That actually smells incredible. The next one is boba tea. It says brewed tea melds with soft tapioca pearls, velvety cream, and soft touches of pure milk. This one will be interesting, I feel like. Ooh, that's really interesting. I feel like I've never smelled something like that before, actually. I really like it. It's really like sweet, but like soft. It literally does smell like a bubble tea though, like. Oh, yum. I really like that. So pretty. I don't know why they're not focusing. Anyway. Then the last one that we have is Donut Shop, and I feel like this one's pretty self-explanatory, but it says sweet donut sprinkled with sugar and topped with salted caramel drizzle and crunchy caramel chunks. Oh, that's so good. You do get like a lot more of the caramel than what you do of like the donut, but like the donut's in there as well, and it just, oh, it's so good. So yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like these candles are so cute. So yeah, I ended up spending like $260 or something like that. But I did finish up a lot of my Christmas shopping, so I mean, you know, it's a win-lose. Because lose because I spent all of my money, but win because I finished Christmas. So yeah, that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'm hoping to do more of these. Hopefully TK Maxx keeps the good stuff coming. But yeah, let me know if you like these type of videos and if you'd like to see more. I'm not in focus. I'm so sick of that mirror, honestly. I think that I'm going to rearrange the studio because I've honestly had it with the mirror. It's so annoying, and it infuriates me because I spend so long filming those videos and then I edit them and you can't even see me the whole time, so it's just really annoying. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.